Introducing the Hamilton Beach 15 Bar Espresso Machine, a sleek and powerful addition to your home coffee setup. This espresso maker promises to bring the authentic taste and quality of cafe-quality espresso drinks right to your kitchen. With its 15-bar Italian pump, convenient milk, frother, and user-friendly design, it offers the potential to elevate your coffee experience. In this review, we'll delve deeper into its features and performance to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your daily caffeine cravings. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Design and build quality. This espresso machine comes in a sleek black color and has a compact footprint with compact dimensions. Its design is modern and would fit well in most kitchen settings. The build quality appears sturdy and durable, with a stainless steel drip tray and a removable water tank that is easy to handle. Number 2. Brewing Performance. The standout feature of this espresso machine is its 15-bar Italian pump. This level of pressure is often associated with professional-grade espresso machines, promising to extract rich and flavorful espresso from both fresh ground coffee beans and pre-measured soft pods. It's worth noting the importance of not overpacking the coffee grounds in the filter, as this can affect the brewing process. The machine is equipped with 2 brew head spouts, allowing you to brew 2 cups of espresso simultaneously. This is a convenient feature for those who enjoy sharing their coffee experience or need to serve multiple guests quickly. Number 3. Milk frothing. For those who love lattes and cappuccinos, this espresso machine comes with a no-fuss milk frother. The frother's nozzle has adjustable steam control, giving you the flexibility to heat milk to your desired temperature and create rich, creamy froth for your favorite espresso-based drinks. It allows you to mimic the skills of a barista right at home. Number 4. Ease of use and maintenance. One of the key advantages of this espresso machine is its user-friendly design. The push-button operation simplifies the brewing process, making it accessible even for beginners. The 50 ounces removable water reservoir is a convenient feature, allowing you to add water without turning off the machine. The water level indicator is clear and eliminates guesswork. Cleaning is also a breeze with this machine. The removable water tank, stainless steel drip tray, cup rest, frothing nozzle, filter holder, and brew head can all be easily detached for cleaning in warm soapy water. This makes maintenance a hassle-free experience. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 8.2 inches, depth by 13 inches, width by 12.31 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Powerful 15-bar Italian pump for authentic espresso extraction. Capable of brewing 2 cups simultaneously. Adjustable milk frother for lattes and cappuccinos. User-friendly push-button operation. 1 reason not to buy. Some users may find the machine a bit noisy during operation. Conclusion. The Hamilton Beach 15-bar espresso machine is a promising addition to any coffee enthusiast's kitchen. It promises cafe-quality results with its 15-bar pump, user-friendly design, and convenient milk frother. The ability to brew 2 cups at once and the easy-to-clean features make it a practical choice for both solo coffee lovers and those who enjoy sharing their coffee creations. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable espresso machine for your home, this model is certainly worth considering. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.